Good morning students. Today we will start exercise 14.3. 14.3 is a draw any line segment PQ without measuring PQ. A concept of the line copy to PQ means you have draw without any measurement to copy to given line segment. Okay, so first will we draw a line segment PQ. Okay, this is the line segment of PQ, and without any measure by the ruler you have draw a line segment, another line segment you copy to PQ. So first will we draw a line is L and mark the point of A, and your construction is now copy to line segment PQ on the line L. So then be first will be your compass, the pointer on the point of P, and measure the radius with the length of equal to PQ. Okay, and fix your compass setting, and next step your pointer on point A and cut the arc on the line L, and the new point is B. It's mean that AB is the equal length of PQ. It's mean AB copy to PQ. Okay, now write the step. Step will be first will be given is first will be give is PQ whose length is not now. Okay, second you work now fix the compass pointer on P and pencil and on Q. Okay, first will be pointer on the point P and end of the Q. Third, now draw any line L. This is the line of L, and choose a point A on L, and without changing the compass setting, place the pointer on A, and fourth will be draw an arc that cut L at a point B. Okay, now the place of A and cut the point of, this is the point of B, and hence AB is copy of PQ. AB is a copy of PQ. Question number second is give some line segment AB whose the length do we not now, and construct PQ such that the line of PQ is twice of AB. Now in previous question you have draw as equal to PQ, and this time you draw a twice of AB. Okay, now then we start. First will be some length is segment. Suppose will we draw a line segment is not measuring the line segment AB. Okay, now second step you have draw a line segment, a line is L and the point 1 is a P. Okay, and similarly to measure previous question, pointer A and end of the point pencil of B. Okay, now first pointer P and cut the first cut, and second cut the other longest. Now will we increase the line segment of this, and first will be cut here because I am getting a longest side, the first side, and second cut will be here. That means it is the point of Q, because there first time you length of AB and choose of 2 times 1 and 2, it's mean the length of PQ is twice of AB. Okay, now write the step is first is given AB whose length is not now. Okay, this length is not given. Second is fix the compass pointer point A here, and the pencil and on B. Here in first step will be show that the pointer and pencil is B. Now third is draw any line L. This is the line of L. Okay, you first time you measure the big line and choose a point P. This is the point of P on L, and without changing the length, yes, setting place the pointer Q. Okay, that is the Q, this is the R, and draw an arc that cut L at point R. This is the point R, because you have line segment is a PQ, then big line is a PQ, and similarly process used on point R. A new point is Q. Okay, and hence PQ is twice of line segment AB. Okay.